get into this. I'm going to go over how to draw a monster mouth kind of opening up, and it's going to be more like from the right side. I did a few mouths opening up from the front, but I'm going to do from the kind of the side. It's going to be, so it'll be fun, easy, and for beginners, okay? So let's get started. It's going to be like real short lesson, so stick around to the end. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a kind of just like line downward right here for the corner of like the mouth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the line across over it, look with a slight curve. All right, I'm going to go over here, pull over, like so. I'm going to actually curve up over here along the edge, curve right there, like curve side of the mouth. All right, I'm going to go down. Curve underneath. All right. Doing good so far. I'm going to draw a line underneath here for the bottom curve of the mouth. Down over here for the top row of teeth, and I'm going to pull out over here. It's going to be a little bit cartoonified. Well, a little bit, probably a lot of it cartoonified. Inside over here where the mouth meets, I'm going to draw a zigzag line of various lengths there. I'm going to go here underneath, curve up like a U shape, and this U shape is essentially just the gum line right there. And I can try to connect with thin lines, a couple right here, like just a couple, nothing too wild, just a couple. You don't have to like line up every single tooth, just a bit. And over here at the top, the exact same thing coming downward. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like drawing scary stuff. Like let's get into this spooky stuff. So down, same thing. Curve over here. We did this kind of stuff when I was an artist at SeaWorld. I used to be a caricature artist at a theme park, and I used to do that a lot. Like we used to draw like this kind of smile a lot. It's something about it just looks very like snappy, very cartoony. Down over here, down. Right on. Gonna go over here to the top. And you can use this for like any monster, and that's kind of what I really like about this stuff, is you can kind of really use this stuff for anything with sharp teeth. I'm gonna go over here, maybe put like some imperfections, maybe like a dot over here in the teeth, pulling down a little bit here, nothing too wild. Curve. Down. And that's kind of it. The rest of it is going to be like small detail. But you see how you can add stuff like this? You can add like an eyeball up here. You can add any face you want like around it. You can like pull a thicker line over here so you can see maybe the kind of the back side of the mouth over there, like the thick part. But hopefully you enjoyed that, and don't forget, hit the link in the description because there is a free lesson in there, and I'm gonna put I have free resources on Gumroad for you to use as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video to come back for all this spooky stuff. All right, see ya.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.